Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. So today I am going to make a delicious apple oatmeal bread. And as you can see, I have a lot of ingredients here on my counter, but don't let that scare you. This is super easy to make. It's so delicious. It's very healthy. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. So hang out with me today in the kitchen because you know what time it is. It is time to get cooking. So to a mixing bowl, I'm going to add 2/3 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Give this a mix. Then I'm going to add 2 eggs. Then 1 cup of unsweetened applesauce. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, or 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and then what I have here, now this is optional, this is 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed. I like to add them, but like I said, this is optional. You don't have to include these. All right, so what I have here is 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, but you could use a gluten flour if you wanted to make this gluten-free. And then 2½ cups of oat flour. And then 1/2 cup of milk. All right, I have 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Again, this is optional. You don't have to add them. You could also add walnuts if you like. All right, so then the last thing that I'm going to do is grate some apple using a box grater, and I need 1 cup. And first I'm going to peel them. Now I had these apples in my refrigerator and I wanted to use them up. They are a gala apple and they're kind of small, as you can tell. All right, so I'm going to add my apple. All right, then I'm going to pour my batter into an 8x8 square pan that I have lightly greased with some nonstick spray. All right, this is optional as well, but I'm just going to sprinkle over some cinnamon and sugar right on top. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then bake in a 350-degree oven for around 40 minutes or until you can insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. Okay, so my apple oatmeal bread cake is out of the oven. I cannot wait to cut myself a piece. So you guys got to come check it out. This makes a great breakfast. It's nice and moist. It is not too sweet. All right, guys. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.